Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Phyllis of JRC Restoration Decor and Designs. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by and ask that you please consider subscribing by tapping the subscribe button, click the bell, and finally select all so that you'll be notified of all future videos that I upload. In this video, I will be showing you how I created my own DIY centerpiece using an interesting piece of fixture from a bathroom. A lighting fixture, similar to this one which is in my bathroom. This lighting fixture that I used was discarded during a bathroom renovation, and it holds 6 lights and it's gold. Here is what it looked like after I completed putting it together. And I loved the way it turned out. And here are the items that I used. 6 silver votive cup candle holders that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I already had these on hand. Here is the light fixture, and I glued it permanently to a piece of wood using Fix All glue from the Dollar Tree. I also used this Faux Ivy Vine that I already had on hand. And these are just some flower petals that I had as well. And again, here's a sample of the wood that I used to glue the fixture on permanently, again using Fix All glue. Now, if you're interested in seeing how I put this piece together, then just keep watching. Now let's get started. Make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.